nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope we are all in the same page. Yes, my dear fellow mankind, I have to keep on repeating. Because that's how the civil justice jurisdiction process functions and operates in a healthy, humane standards ways. Okay, so yes, this civil justice sign off for is for myself, for I am Vedapriya Prose, and it is because United States of America nation with fatal negligence created robocall poverty mandate and enforced poverty to me and enforced finance disability to me and enforced finance debt to me, and that is the deadliest crime a nation can enforce for a civilian. And it is classified as a domestic violence classification code, right? Because when a nation is enforcing poverty to the civilian, it directly creates the pain infliction on the brain nerves, right? So what happens when brain nerves get inflicted with the pain? It creates more pain, torture, like, and that is how I am, because I should not have got into that debt, finance debt. For past 3 years, I've been paying only the minimum due. That itself is creating a lot of torture for me, emotional torture for me. And who is United States of America to even bother to enforce poverty to me? Who is USA? Where I own USA, and USA nation should have provided to me all the help, but they never did. They never even paid all the salaries, right? I am asking everything in the rightful way only. So when the entire justice is broken in United States of America, I am signing the civil justice for myself in front of all nations, and I will get the civil justice served according to the Holy Bible guidelines of civil law. So nobody can ask why USA is in handcuffed mode, right? Because USA do not have any birthright to enforce poverty to me. So I will read this civil justice. For I, Vedapriya Prose, proved scandal of absolute monarchs and proved Pope Francis' Roman Empire King Herod as of February 2021. Any salary as in tax-free billions of dollars USA government can provide effective immediate using direct deposit or wire transfer to my bank account to I am that I am Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Israelite tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide, can help me. So scandal phases of Republica, Europe nations worldwide. Republica is Republica Commonwealth, 52 nations worldwide. They never bother to educate. USA Republican government can never enforce poverty, and USA can never create robocall poverty mandate. Why? Where the Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, and true civil supreme judge, and it is a fatal negligence of Commonwealth 52 nations to be fatal negligence. Either USA government should say no, who is Republica Commonwealth 52 nations, or either USA government should say don't know who is Republica Commonwealth 52 nations. So what is the error? The error is Commonwealth 52 nations created robocall poverty mandate, and it is deadliest crime as of February 2021, and it is coming under the classification of domestic violence and the subclassification of breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, causation and injury to the brain nerves, and battery and types, and assault and types, and false imprisonment and types, trespass to land and types, and trespass to chattels. So, I, Vedapriya Prose, the true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, own this text for ongoing civil justice sign-off, and the Republica Commonwealth 52 nations with fatal negligence failed to educate. USA cannot create robocall poverty mandate, and by default created Republica USA robocall poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and Republican government GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh in October 2018 enforced poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Prose abruptly on October 2018, and Republican government of United States of America took away $4,500 on October 2018 abruptly, and enforced finance debt of $10,210.38 since October 2018, October 2019, October 2020, and as of today in February 2021. So, and also enforced finance disability to I, Vedapriya Prose abruptly. So, it is crime for Republica Commonwealth 52 nations when ruling USA never educated. USA should never provide enforced poverty to I, Vedapriya Prose. So, civil justices, I, Vedapriya Prose, want Citibank CEO of USA to pay off my debt in full, that is $10,210.38, and sign off and sign off tax-free $4,500, and each of Commonwealth 52 nations should sign off tax-free $1,000 billion, each to be total of tax-free $52,000 billion for all types of damages done by selfish, cunning, Islam, Judaism, Zionism, absolute monarchs types, wild endangered species and health creators, and direct deposit to my bank account. And at fault and found guilty, Holy Highness God of USA Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis and Republican government of USA government will provide the rightful assistance of how to transfer the funds in a safe and secured way using direct deposit or wire transfer process accordingly. And for I, Vedapriya Pro Se, displayed the absolute monarch scandal to the USA government. I, Vedapriya Pro Se, want USA government to rename the Lord Ripon building in Tamil Nadu, India after my name is Vedapriya Civil Justice Served. And I, Vedapriya Pro Se, to become the Vatican leader now is Civil Justice Served. And I, Vedapriya Pro Se, to become the Pope Francis should resign immediately, abruptly is Civil Justice Served. And I, Vedapriya Pro Se, to become the Supreme Chief Civil Judge of all nations now is Civil Justice Served. And I, Vedapriya Pro Se, to be the Supreme Chief Family Law Judge across all nations is Civil Justice Served to me. And then I, Vedapriya Pro Se, to become the Global Poverty Medical Director Chief for all nations to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organization, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Family, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Exports, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is Civil Justice Served. And I, Vedapriya Pro Se, to be the ambassador for all nations starting with India and must get dual citizenship of US and India now is Civil Justice Served. And I hope we are all in the same page, my dear fellow mankind. Yes and yes and yes one more time. It is a multitasking, that is, I have to get the job offer, I have to get the rightful salary, I have to get the rightful finance aid, and I have to get the start the job and provide the design solutions, and I also have to become the Supreme Civil Judge and Family Law Judge across all nations. Then I have to become the Vatican leader. Then I have to provide all the finance aid compensations for entire human population. Right, so many tasks are left. So USA must take the responsibility, must take the accountability for all the damages done to me. I never asked USA to enforce poverty to me. If they love to create poverty, they should have first created poverty for Pope Francis and the Queen Elizabeth too. But they never did that. So that means that itself is a error. That itself is a crime. And when entire justice services of USA is broken for 500 years, everything, you name any of the justice types, it's all wrong, invalid. So I have to get the civil justice, and that is why I'm signing the civil justice in front of all nations. That way I will get the civil justice according to the Holy Bible guidelines in front of all nations. And all nations will be aware why USA is handcuffed and found guilty in all counts of crimes of Vatican. Okay, so that way we are all in the same page. Thank you for your time. Take care. Bye.